At Charlie's Hardware, we know, your work never ends. That's why we're ready to assist you. Lawn care team, even grilling, we're ready for spring.
Fucking shit, man. Look, sir, I as soon as you called it in, I came over here and I found a body down there, and I came up here and I was looking for the guy, I called it in.
That's 5 people dead. That's 5 now. Where were you? Huh? I sent you on this. Were we getting a donut or something? What happened?
I came in as soon as you called it. You told me to check out the trail. I came to the trail. Sorry about the gun thing.
No excuse is going to bring those 5 people back. You want to keep that badge, Lombardi?
Yes, sir.
And get your head out of your ass.
Yes, sir.
You gonna go find this guy or what?
Yes.
Go!
Fuck! Sheriff? Hey, fuck! Sheriff!
He fucking killed her, dude!
Where, man? Where?
I tried.
You're okay.
I really fucking tried to stop him. He's a fucking freak. He's a fucking freak. He's fucking nature. He's a fucking freak of nature. He fucking killed me. He's a fucking calm. Fuck you. Calm down. Where the fuck were you? Where the fuck were the police? You're fucking 5 feet away in the same park, but were you watching a fucking soccer game?
What the fuck were you? You fucking sitting around here, what the fuck were you doing? Getting fucking donuts while I'm out there with a fucking psycho. Looks like 69. Sir. Where were the police? Sir, we're here now. Were they? We're trying to figure this shit out, man. I'm not fucking scared as you. I'm new to the force, man. I'm fucking new to this shit. I don't fucking know this.
afternoon. It's been 2 weeks since the discovery of a sixth victim in what investigators are calling the most violent crime spree to strike Greenkill since 1969. Police investigators believe the first victims to be the family on Wither Road, but are uncertain of the eldest son's whereabouts. But officials now believe they may be closer than ever. Investigator Evelyn Valcone, who is leading the case, says newly discovered material could connect all 6 murders and may be the key to finally identifying the killer. For this small town where violent crime is rare, the series of killings has left neighbors shaken and fearful. Patrols have been increased, and authorities continue to urge residents to remain cautious, especially after dark. As the search intensifies, investigator Valcone says it's no longer a question of if the suspect will be caught, but when.
Hi, Bob.
I just saw you on TV. They got your name, they got your face, they got everything. What if this guy comes after him?
That's exactly why I have to do this. He has to get the scares into silence. Closer than ever, I can feel it.
Closer is one thing, but every time they say your name, every time they say your face, every time you show it, you're daring him to come find you. And what if he comes after us?
Then I'll be ready. Because the next move he makes, it'll be his last.
Look, you know I'm just checking up on you. You know I worry. Look, I gotta run. I am slammed at work right now. I love you. Please be safe.
I love you too. I'll be okay, I promise.
Hey.
Hello.
I'm sure you remember me from the other night.
Yep. I do.
I'm here with the Greenkill Police Department. I'm just here to ask you a couple of questions about that night. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
You want a cigarette first? Or?
I don't smoke. Put that out and you can come on in.
Okay.
You can sit.
I'd prefer to stand, if you don't mind. Just here to ask a couple of questions about the other night.
Oh, what other night? Do you mean the one where we were in the park?
Yeah,
And 50 feet away, you let a giant fucking hick troglodyte murder my girlfriend? The night where you were looking at a body already. And then suddenly, you stop in the middle of the woods, 500 feet from where we are. That night.
That would be the night, sir. Yes.
Okay, what do you want to know?
I just want to know what you know so we can get this guy. I want to get this guy. I want to have him apprehended, and I want to pay for what he did. We're not always the quickest on scene, but goddamn it, we'll get it done. We'll get these things figured out, and we'll have people put to justice.
I guess it can't hurt. So I try to be friendly to the guy. Try to say hi. He just looks past me. It's like I'm not even fucking there. And so, I'll be honest, I make a bit of a smart ass remark. I can't remember what. He pushes me to the side. He grabs her by her hair. I'm not going to get into that part. You saw the body, you saw the autopsy report, and you know what he did. I tried to get him off of her. He's the fucking strongest person. Fucking freak. Not even there. So you better be ready if you do catch him.
We will be ready to catch him. That's what we do.
But you weren't ready to find him.
We are now. We are now. Look, I don't have much for you. I'm new. I can let you know. We're gonna fight. I don't know about you, but I went to school with this fucking was a window licker. Were you licking windows when he was fucking murdering 2 people? I don't want to hear your fucking excuses. I don't want to hear how much of a fucking retard he was. I want you to find him. And I want you to fucking kill him. We will find him. We will apprehend him. We will hold him to the court of law. I promise you that. I hope you believe that, because one of us should.
Halloween, be the most popular house on the block.
You get it, right? You understand. Yeah. And he's a beating cop.
You know, this whole police thing, it's either all excitement or nothing. Just how it goes.
Yeah, you know, I thought we were here to make a difference, you know?
You are. Look, about what happened 2 weeks ago. I know know I got all in your face and stuff, but this is Greenkill. Nothing ever really happens like this. Not in a long time, at least. You know.
You think this whole Greenkill's murder thing? You think that it's related to the '69 murders? I mean, you know, everybody's saying it and whatnot. You know. But I mean, what do you think? Because I think it's kind of related.
You know, the dress code states your beard should be a bit more trimmed up. But tomorrow I gotta head over to Falcone's. She says she has some info about catching this bastard. I don't know. But tomorrow for you, I want you to head over to Charlie's Hardware, okay? They've been saying something about a foul smell. I don't even want to mention what it is. So, see you tomorrow.
Yeah, you got it. What's up, man?
Yo, my brother, how you doing, man?
Not much, bro. Just
Officer
chilling.
now. Never expected that back in the day, bro.
Hardware store, I didn't expect that.
Yeah, that was a good one,
Yeah.
man.
Well, no, I got sent here because of like a weird smell or whatever, you know, the fucking sheriff. But that
Weird.
You smell?
Yeah, man. I think I smelled that a little bit. You want to talk to the boss, man?
Yeah, where's Charlie? Where's Charlie at? Is he here?
Yeah, he's here, bro. Mr. Charlie.
Mr. Charlie.
Officer,
How's it going?
I'm doing well. You got something you could be doing back there, right? Closing, get it over with.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Firm grip, Mr. Charlie. Firm grip.
Are you here because of the robbery? You guys caught who's been stealing my merchandise?
No, sir. We haven't caught him yet. I'm hearing reports of the foul odor smell. You smell
Foul
anything?
odor, so new business and you ain't got the old business. You know I sell tools. The tools are still here. You're supposed to solve crimes, yet here we are.
Well, sir, I only do what I'm told.
Okay, weird smell.
Weird smell, and you know what's been going on lately. You've heard about the recent events, you know, the killings and whatnot.
This is what you're here for?
Yes, sir.
This is absolutely preposterous. This is ridiculous. How dare you come into my establishment and accuse me of ridiculous things like this?
No accusing going on, Mr. Charlie. I'm just.
So what the fuck are you here for?
I'm here to do my job, and I just got to check this out. It could be roadkill, sir. Let me check out the place, and I'll head out of here. You can close up, all right?
All right.
I'll be out of here soon. It's probably nothing, right?
You come back into the front. I got shit to do.
Fucking freak, bro.
This is Falcone. Sheriff Carpenter, we had a meeting.
Fucking freak! Fuck!
Fuck. God. Fuck.
So Charlie, how's it going?
I'm good.
You didn't smell nothing?
Gas company said it was a leak.
Gas company said it was a leak. Nothing?
I believe so.
Okay, well, I'm just letting you know. It's protocol. I'm gonna have to
Apprehend me.
apprehend you. The sheriff's on his way.
What am I being charged with?
You're not being charged with anything. Yeah, apprehending this having to do that, but we're under suspicion that the dead body behind your fucking store might have to do something with the Greenkill killings, alright? So, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to apprehend you, Mr. Charlie. I know you weren't happy to see me beforehand, but now you're not gonna be happy with me now. And that's fine. I'm doing my job just as much as you were doing your job. Just like when I'll find that thief of yours, alright?
You said you've already dispatched.
I dispatched 3 minutes ago. Small town.
Well, let's get it over with. Let's go to the station.
Stay there. I get to the store, dude's a total fucking freak. I mean, dude, schizo shit. Like, I get in there, it's like, how are you? Like fucking Frankenstein, man. And I go to shake his hand, and he's like squeezing my hand all hard and shit. And dude, like, everything was fucking off about the guy. And now, boom, dead body behind his store. You gotta hand it to me, Carpenter. I solved the case. I wouldn't be surprised if he faked the robbery, too. Sheriff, he's got to be the guy. I mean, when we were in school, we would pass by here, look through the window, and he would have that Frankenstein stare and stuff. I mean, like, we'd come here just to fuck with the guy, and he's always been weird. Sheriff? You know it's got to be him, right? Come on, Sheriff. Who comes here to talk to Mr. Charlie? He's a weird guy.
I don't know. As weird as he is, it's something doesn't feel right.
What's not right? Freak store owner, weird smell, body. This isn't a year after. This is weeks.
You're a cop, aren't you?
Yeah, Sheriff.
Well, based on your training, I would hope that you learned Sometimes things aren't always as they seem.
Can't things be pretty obvious though? Like this? I mean, this is pretty obvious. Small town. Small town, dude. But it's over. It's finally fucking over.
Lombardi, I really don't think it is over. I was over at Valcone's earlier this morning, and I found her in the backyard with her fucking throat slit. What do you think you're doing? You're not doing anything. You got the wrong guy.
Sheriff, can I ask you a question? What have you done, huh? What the fuck have you been doing? You've been up my ass this whole fucking time. Why? No. Yeah, I'm getting tired of your shit, man. I'm tired of your shit.
Look, Joel. Sorry. Look, it's like you said before, it's Greenkill. Nothing happens. Not like this here.
You gotta know I'm trying, man.
Found these in Valcone's house. She left the key under the mat, like she always does.
This is not new, is it?
I don't think it is.
These are. What are you saying? Is it connected or?
I think they're all connected. Turns out, she didn't know any more than us. We're closer than her.
Without Valcone, she had the. Fuck.
You see why I'm all in your grill? We're closer than her.
We got nothing.
What have I been telling you? We got the wrong guy. You got the wrong guy.
We're all just trying here, Sheriff, alright?
I know.
I need you to work with me too, here. I mean, unless you want to get somebody else on the force.
There's a reason I assigned you this, Lombardi. I know you can do it.
Thanks, Sheriff. So what about Mr. Charlie?
You should probably go get him.
At this moment, we have breaking news. Detective Evelyn Valcone was found dead. Her throat was slit open, and it appears that a Halloween mask was put on her head. Because of the wounds, investigators are unsure if this killing is related to the quote-unquote screwdriver killer. We will have more information as it comes.
Hey, Mr. Charlie. I was wondering if maybe I could get more hours, man. Like, I've been working real hard. I'm trying to get a ring for my girl. We've been together. I've been working really hard, man.
Let me ask you something. You think this would cut through somebody's arm?
I mean, maybe. It's for
All right.
wood.
Whatever. Listen, more hours means more work. You understand that, right? This ain't gonna be just get stoned out back like you think I don't fucking know about. Stupid fucking stoner. Think I give a shit about your girl either? All right, listen. We'll talk about it. Hold on, come here. You fucking bitch. It's open!
Mr. Charlie,
Fuck do you want?
I'm here to apologize to you.
You drunk?
You?
What do you want, man? Apologize? Whatever. Go ahead.
I'm here to apologize to you, not on the behalf of the police department, but on
Well, that's fucking cute. So I'm gonna be suing you personally, Officer Jerkoff, whatever the fuck your name
Lombardi.
is. Yeah, great. The Greenkill Police Department. Wrongful arrest, character defamation. The fuck was that?
Don't you own a gun, Mr. Charlie?
This will leave a better impression.
Where's your gun?
Come on, let's go. Fuck that. Fucking kid probably just left the door open. Get my shit. Fuck out of my store.
Have a good night, Mr.
See you in court, asshole.
Have a good night.
Yeah. Sucking dick. The fuck was that? No, the cops are looking for you, you stupid fuck. They put me in fucking jail because of you, you fucking retard! You stupid fuck. You retarded fucking inbred motherfucker. You fuck. Guess it's time.
Good afternoon, Greenkill. We're following breaking news in what's quickly becoming one of the most disturbing crime stories this town has ever seen. For the second time in just a matter of weeks, Charlie's Hardware on Wither Road has been the site of a violent break-in, but this time, crime has turned deadly. Police confirm that store owner Jeffrey Charlie and employee Reese Newport were found dead inside the store early this morning. Investigators described the crime as brutal and ritualistic. to authorities, Jeffrey Charlie was found lying in his own blood, his stomach ripped open. In a chilling detail, detectives say his organs had been removed and placed inside a Halloween trick-or-treat bag sitting beside his body. Employee Reese Newport was found nearby. Officials have not yet released his official cause of death, but investigators say the level of violence suggests a targeted attack. This shocking discovery comes just days after Jeffrey Charlie was falsely accused of being the screwdriver killer, the serial murderer believed to be behind several unsolved homicides across Greenkill. Now, with Mr. Charlie himself dead, police have confirmed what many feared. The real screwdriver killer is still out there. Greenkill police are urging residents to stay alert, lock their doors, and report any suspicious activity immediately.
They won't, then you must be dumber than you look. And you're an inbred pig in a Halloween costume, so you already look pretty fucking stupid!
Getting my inside scoop tickles me. It'd tickle you too, if you were a pumpkin.
Hey, Lombardi. It's Sheriff Carpenter. Yeah, look, I need you to run over to that kid's house. Kevin, I don't know, just to do a wellness check. There's been complaints in the area about some noise. I don't know, I'm sure it's nothing, but go give it a look. All right.
Officer Lombardi, Greenkill Police, doing a wellness check. Greenkill Police. Oh, what the fuck is this? Sheriff, I need you down here, bro. Sheriff. Yeah, dumbass, there's another fucking dead body. Yeah, the guy from the park. Now, bro, now.
Lombardi.
Sheriff.
I hold him up.
Another one. What's this?
Figured we can use some help.
Officer Angelo Rossi. Nice to meet you.
Lombardi. Deputy. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we just picked him out today. Figured we can use all the help we can get. We're close.
Are we?
It's gotta be around here somewhere.
Can I talk to you, Sheriff? Rossi, give us a minute.
Yes, sir.
How fucking close are we?
First of all, Lombardi, don't ever touch me again.
We can talk. We can have another conversation about that, Sheriff. How fucking close are we?
I don't know, Lombardi, but we've got someone here. It was
Dead.
reported. It was recent.
He's dead.
I have a feeling he's in the area,
dead. We
Lombardi.
need a detective. We don't need new fucking.
I'm trying to give you a
Don't
chance
fucking
here.
push me. Don't, Sheriff. Don't fucking push me. We gotta work here. We gotta work here. All right. I'm telling you, we don't need new fucking cadets. We need fucking people looking into
We need
this.
all the eyes we
need
can
FBI.
get. We need all the
We need
eyes we can
FBI.
get. FBI's not going to come here. I've tried. You think I haven't tried?
I don't know. You don't talk to me. Things have changed.
Listen, I have a lot of things to do. Okay, I have to call the coroner's office. I have to get this body out of here. I just want you to suck it up with him, just at least for tonight, okay? I want you two to walk. Listen to me. Have you two walk up and down the street here. Maybe you can find something, okay? As much of a douche as you can be. You know how to use it.
Appreciate you, Sheriff.
Just promise to watch that muzzle, okay?
Gonna stab her back, all right? Promise me you'll investigation something, some sort of,
Just go look for this bastard, okay?
Let me get somebody else on this, all right? I'll watch the kid.
Hey.
Hey.
So, how long you been in the force?
A little over a year.
Word? I just got in, man, got out the academy. I'm just trying to do what I can for my family, what I can for the town. What made you want to join?
Yeah, I wanted to make a difference too.
That's what's up, man.
Yep.
Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. I don't really know why we're here. Can you enlighten me?
You ever heard
Tell me
of
what's up?
Greenkill killings?
I've seen them on the news, like on the newspaper, but I don't really know nothing about it, obviously.
Well, you're one of the houses.
Sure am, huh?
Yes, you are. Yep.
All right,
you're
so
one of the fucking houses.
what do we know about this guy?
Kills people
Okay.
at random.
Got a profile.
Big retard.
Big retard.
Yep.
I
Big
mean,
retard.
shit. To be committing murders and just running loose like this, leaving evidence everywhere, I'd have to agree with you.
Do you have any ideas?
Well, from what I could guess, we're not dealing with somebody professional. We're dealing with somebody who has problems. You're not all right up here.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, because they're not cleaning anything up, just leaving the weapons willy-nilly. So it's not like we're dealing with like a hitman here.
Did Sheriff Carpenter tell you anything about it?
No.
About that? No.
No.
Oh. So you got time.
Just off the dome.
Yeah.
Do what I can do,
That's all you can do.
Yes, but if somebody's this crazy, right, they definitely have some like mental health history, at least. And I doubt they have parents. They're probably like an orphan or something.
Let's say they don't have parents anymore.
Probably not. Probably killed them.
So what do you suggest we do?
Let's go back to the house and see if we could really find something. Do some real detective work. Let's go. Go.
Yeah. No, I like that. All right. You know what? Yeah, though.
You like music?
Yeah, no, I do. You like any local shit? Like hair, fucking
Greened Out?
Greened Out. Yeah,
Shit,
Greened Out.
bro,
I
Dealer's
like-
Anthem?
Yeah, I got you. What you need?
That shit is hot.
Yeah,
Yeah, bro.
man.
No, I really fuck with that type of shit.
Right?
Yeah, that shit is
Yeah.
hot, bro.
2 years hot.
Damn right, bro.
Yeah, man.
Shit, man. Yo, I'm happy that you my partner.
Yeah, man.
I fuck with
Cool, man. Yeah.
Yeah, you
It's
valid,
nice, you know. It brings out the old me, you know.
Damn right, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
I'm happy. I'm happy for that, bro, because it do be rough out here. I can understand. And you've been investigating these murders. I can imagine that shit's weighing heavy on your head.
Sometimes.
Definitely.
But hey, look, if we're gonna go check this out, let me go in first, right?
Okay, bet.
Right.
I'll keep watch out here, you know. Keep a
Yeah, no.
watchful
Look,
eye.
if Sheriff Carpenter comes around, just tell him I went in before you. He'll like that, all right? We'll
Okay,
go
bet.
check
I got
shit
you,
out.
man.
But let me actually to be honest with you, I gotta go take a piss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, be careful in there.
Yeah, no, hopefully I don't fall in or nothing. Yeah, no, I'm gonna check it out though, and then I'm gonna take a piss. I'll be out here just in case the guy shows up, right?
Yeah, man.
Oh, dude, let me fucking tell you. Fuck. Yo. Fucking smoke too much? Yo. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh. I heard shots. What happened?
Right fucking there! Right there! Go! Come on! Right here, man!
Is that the new guy?
It was right here, man. He hit me in the...
It was day one.
He was right...
What? He was right. I fucking shot him, man. He was right here. I fucking shot the guy.
Who?
Fucking guy, man. He fucking killed him. She hit me with the fucking wrench. With the wrench. And he fucking... And I shot him in the fucking shoulder. I saw it, bro. Right there. Look, the blood is there. The blood is there, Carpenter. Right there, man. Right there. I shot him in the fucking shoulder, man. I got him, man. I got him. You got blood evidence. You got blood evidence. Sheriff. Right there. Look, it's right there. The weapon, the mask, the blood.
Well, you shot him. But you didn't kill him. And we got a guy dead. Just give it back to you. Give it right here.
Sheriff, I do more with it.
Hand over your weapon.
Sheriff, I do more with it than you fucking... Sheriff, I do more with it than your fucking investigators. Where were they? I went in there, I took a piss, they weren't there.
You're involved in this shooting. You're suspended for now.
What does that mean?
I
What does that
need
mean?
your weapon.
What does that mean?
It means...
Sheriff Carpenter, what does that mean?
Lombardi, follow protocol. Give me your weapon.
What is protocol anymore?
Need to take a few days off. And go.
He's a new kid, you know.
And it have your cigarette. Lombardi? You did your best, okay? But do you see a pattern here with everything?
People dying.
Yeah, but Halloween. It's Halloween in 2 days.
Yeah, and
There's a pumpkin pail in there, full of candy next to that body. I mentioned the store, the trick-or-treat bag. I think he's gonna strike on Halloween.
so we gotta like we're gonna like set up a trap for him. We gotta we'll like the you know like the neighborhoods with the most traffic, like we'll patrol it, and
You, Lombardi,
we'll no.
you're on break. I'm gonna set in a curfew warning the town, and you're gonna take part in that. You aren't doing anything. Let me take care of this.
Sheriff, you need. Who else do you got? Who else? Who else? Who else? Sheriff. Who the fuck else do you have? Huh?
Good evening, folks of Greenkill, and to our neighbors in surrounding towns. Please take a moment to listen closely. This is Sheriff Walter Carpenter. I wish I were speaking to you under better circumstances, but I need to be clear. Over the past few weeks, as you've known, our community has been living under a growing threat. Despite the tireless efforts of law enforcement, the individual responsible for the recent violent attacks, the one the media has dubbed the Screwdriver Killer, is still at large. And with Halloween night fast approaching, we have reason to believe this individual may attempt to use costumes, the crowds, and the chaos to blend in. That's why I'm issuing a public safety advisory for Greenkill and all surrounding towns. There will be no trick-or-treating this Halloween. We are asking, in the strongest terms, that all residents stay inside, lock your doors, and do not open them for anyone you don't know. We understand the heartbreak this may cause, especially for the children who look forward to this night all year. But for your safety and theirs come first, always. Police patrols will be active all night, and every available resource is being used to protect this community. But we need your cooperation. Please stay inside, stay alert, and please do not take any unnecessary risks. If, and only if, the situation is under control in the days ahead, the town will plan a rescheduled Halloween celebration next week. One that's safe, supervised, and worthy of the spirit of the season. Until then, thank you for your understanding, your patience, and your strength, and may God be with you all.
Picked the wrong Halloween, motherfucker. I didn't get the job for this. You want to say something to me before I fucking clip you? You want to say something, you fuck? You have nothing to say tonight.
Lombardi? You're fucking bleeding. What the hell happened?
Got him.
Right over there.
enough. You got him.
I want to make sure, man. Make sure later.
You're bleeding a little bit. Come on, let's go. Get up. Come on.
Carpenter. Look like you drinking a beer. You want a beer?
How many have you had?
Enough. How about you? So I get the vandalism and whatnot, but who's Linda?
Well, apart from the obvious last name, it's his mother. Died during childbirth. Happened to him.
What about the rest of them? You know, the father, siblings. State figure that out or no?
Not done with him yet.
I'm done with him.
Just wanted to get rid of him.
I get that.
Like steak, lombardi.
Fucking love steak, Sheriff Carpenter.
Thinking, finish these up. Get some steak, some whiskey. Down the driver.
You know, Carpenter, I've known you for a while. That is probably the best fucking thing you've ever said to me.
Get out of here.